Helo pawb, Emma Jane dwi. Croeso I Ddawns Teulu. Family Dance is part of the Young Creatives programme at Venue Cymru, and we are making another exciting dance film that you can join in with through this year's Take Part Family Arts Festival. Tŷ Rhyddiol Ddawns Teulu, the virtual family dance house. Rydym yn creu ffilm yn defnyddio eich hofflefydd, tu mewn a tu allan. Once you have filmed in your favourite place, you can send us your footage and we will edit this into our virtual family dance house. Dyma rhai syniadau o be allwch chi wneud a lle. Here are some ideas of what you can do and where. Choose your favourite movements and be as creative as possible with what is around you. Sut allwch chi ddefnyddio eich gofod I greu symudiadau amryw? What do you have around you that you can use in a creative and imaginative way? Symud drosodd o dan ac o gwmpas. Moving over, under and around. You can choose an outdoor space. You don't have to be stuck indoors. Da ni'n byw mewn lle hyfryd. Mae 'na digon o lefydd diddorol I dewis tu allan hefyd. Cofiwch am y llefydd anghyffredin hefyd. Mae yna digon o bosibiliadau. Don't forget the more unusual spaces in your home. They can all be used in a creative way. Peidiwch â phoeni am yr effeithiau arbennig. Nawn ni ychwanegu rhain wedyn. Don't worry about adding in any special effects as we will do this during the final edit. So come and be a part of our virtual family dance house. We would love for you to join us. Details for sending in your films will follow shortly. Have fun making them. We can't wait to see what you do. Hwyl fawr!